Hi, I'm Pratik, presenting Teksun Telep Fire and Smoke Detection AI model with Teksun Tejas 625 Evolution Kit, powered by Qualcomm 625 ARM Cortex-A53 and 64-bit GPU for Edge AI. Tejas EVK has 5-megapixel cameras which can detect fire or smoke in real time and generate 911 alerts via LTE or Wi-Fi-based alert with MQTT channel. We use an object detection method for real-time fire detection in the Teksun Telep Fire and Smoke Detection AI model, which is trained with a large amount of data to accurately identify fire and smoke. Being a lightweight AI model, it is capable of running on any embedded Android-based edge device similar to Teksun Tejas 625 SOM or Tejas 210 SOM. Teksun Telep Fire and Smoke Detection AI model is a customizable algorithm in which we can add smoke detection to detect early signs of fire for preventive actions. Thank you.